So I actually bought Easy Card. So I'll show you how to top up Easy Card. It's just a top up, put it on the sensor. My bad card, cash rebate. So I top up, just put $100 in here. And then put down the card. So I am here. So I am here at Zhongshan, okay? And then what I have to do is I gotta go to Taipei main station and change to go here, Taipei Nangang Exhibition Center. It's kind of like Singapore Expo or like Tech Center in Bangkok. So I have to take the Songshan Xindian line, so the green line here to Nangang Exhibition Center. Okay, so I came out a bit late, so the rush hour is not as crazy as yesterday, like boom, 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 people are like running around. But the pace of life here is 50% slower than Singapore and much more relaxed, which I quite like it because it's not stressful. I mean, for me it's not stressful, but for you I'm not sure. Yeah.